Our top story tonight, a constitutional amendment taking away the right to an abortion in the state of Iowa is making its way through the legislature. Now, since the procedure is protected to an extent across the entire country, there's some concern about how it would actually be used. Well, today we took those questions to a law professor for the facts. KWWL's Travis Breeze is live right now with more on the potential of this amendment.
Abby, Republicans in Des Moines have been trying to limit abortion for years. One thing holding them back is an Iowa Supreme Court decision from 2018. This amendment would replace that decision, but a professor from Drake University says a full ban on the procedure is very much a possibility.
The bottom line is the Republicans in the legislature want to ban abortion if there's any chance to do so.
Through a fetal heartbeat bill in 2018, Iowa lawmakers tried to start banning abortions 6 weeks into a pregnancy. The law was struck down, citing a state Supreme Court decision from that same year, which said there is a right to abortion.
The fact that the Iowa Supreme Court found a state constitutional right stops them from being able to do that.
Sally Frank is a law professor at Drake with an emphasis in women's rights. While this year's amendment is Republicans' attempt to overrule that court decision, she says it's also trying to ban the procedure.
It's looking at all the other pieces that they've tried to pass. They're part of the movement that wants Roe overturned. And why do people want Roe overturned? So that they can ban abortion.
Frank says if the amendment passes with the current federal law, it could be used to chip away, but not ban. However, if federal justices give states more power, nothing is off the table.
So they want to get rid of that ruling so that they can go as far as they possibly can towards banning, and then if Roe is overturned, ban.
Frank believes that this amendment purely opens the door and that Republicans would have to pass more legislation to really start restricting abortion, but she says that the cuffs really would be off them if it got to that point. Reporting live in Iowa City, Travis Breeze, News 7 KWWL.
Travis, thank you. Now, this amendment did pass the House yesterday. It is headed to the Senate for discussion. It would need to pass both houses next legislative session again before finally being ratified by Iowa voters.